Hello!
Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you about how to solve this inequality, that is x minus 9 squared greater than 0, and we need to write the answer in the interval form. Actually, this inequality is a bit tricky and many students tend to make mistakes on it. So without wasting time, let me show you step by step in doing this. Well, start from now, you should know that x minus 9 squared is on the left hand side and the 0 is on the right hand side. So what is the requirement of the question? We want to find the values of x. The values of x when substituting into left hand side, we should get a value greater than 0. Okay, so whenever you see the word solve means we want to find the values of the unknown, that is x. So what should we do? First of all, we let the term on the left hand side equal to 0. That is x minus 9 squared equal to 0. So let me write it first. Let x minus 9 squared equal to 0. So at this point, you may wonder why I do this. But hold on first, later I will explain to you. So this is actually a quadratic equation and we want to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. So very simple, right? We just move the square to the right hand side and then we will get the square root of 0. Okay, so on the left hand side we will have x minus 9. Okay, x minus 9 equal to 0 and we have x equal to 9. So now I want to explain the purpose of this step. So this step is very important because we can find the value of x that can make this term equal to 0. Okay, x minus 9 squared equal to 0. So from here we know that if x equal to 9, when substituting into this left hand side, we will get the 0. Okay, so we write the explanation below. For x minus 9 squared greater than 0, x cannot be equal to 9 because if x equal to 9, it will satisfy the equation but not satisfying the inequality. Okay, so this is the condition, x cannot be equal to 9. And we have learned that the value of x minus 9 squared actually is greater or equal to 0 for all values of x. Okay, any value of x. So when you substitute any value of x into this term, you will get a value greater or equal to 0. So you can check this by using your calculator. So let me try it for you. I will key in x minus 9 square into calculator and I want to find the value of this one to see whether it is greater or equal to 0. Okay, by testing a few value of x. Let's say if x equal to 1, I will get 64. So 64 is greater than 0. So I write it down. 64 is greater than 0. Okay, next, if I try, let's say x equal to negative 2, what happened? I will get 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 is still greater than 0. And then we can try another number, let's say x equal to 9. Okay, what happened? Yes, we will get 0. Okay, we will get 0. So 0 equal to 0. So as you can see, after we substitute three value, let's say just now we try x equal to 1, x equal to negative 2, and x equal to 9. So we can see left hand side will greater than the right hand side or equal to 0. So this means that the second statement is correct for all value of x. No matter what value of x you substitute, this term confirm will greater or equal to 0. Okay, but then we back to the question. We want to ensure this term greater than 0 and we don't want this term equal to 0. So what should we do? Actually, we can combine these two statements into one statement. So how do we combine these statements? Well, we know that all value of x will satisfy this inequality. Just like x equal to 1, we get 64 greater than 0. And if x equal to negative 2, we get 1 to 1 greater than 0, right? So satisfy this inequality. But we don't want x equal to 9 because we will get 0 equal to 0. We don't want to see the equal sign. Okay? Don't want to see the equal sign. So in order for this inequality to be defined, all x are acceptable except x equal to 9. So we can combine these two statements below. That is, we can write x minus 9 square greater than 0 for all value of x, comma, x not equal to 9. So all values of x means between negative infinity and infinity, but not including 9. Okay, we can write the final answer as this one. Between negative infinity and 9, okay, or between 9 and positive infinity. Okay, so this union stands for all, this part or this part. So this is the end of our discussion today. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write down below. I will reply you as soon as possible. See you again. Bye.